Well, good afternoon. So you can see it's snowing. I knew we were getting some, but I didn't think we'd get this much. Sorry I hadn't posted last week. I was a little under the weather. And then after I was feeling better, Chloe was sick for about 3 days. So I was keeping an eye on her. She really wasn't doing too good, but she has bounced back. And doctor just thought, vet should say, just thought it was just a cold. A nice little snowfall is always nice. I just hate shoveling it. Hey, Chloe. You napping? You're probably wanting the electric blanket on. As cold as it is, I got plastic over the window. But hard to see through the screen with the camera, but it looks like it did stop snowing for the most part. So I want to show you what I've been working on upstairs. I did cut into the ceiling a little bit so I get up into the attic because the only access is outside, and that backside is mostly clay and it's really soft with it being wet and snowing. So I have to get some insulation up there to increase the R value, and hopefully it will stay warmer in here during the winter and cooler in the summer. So let me show you what I found here. So now that I got more light up here with the spotlight, I could see there is a lot more work I need to do up here than I was originally thinking. I already knew about the straw, and the knob and tube is still being used by a couple of the lights upstairs and just a couple of the outlets, but those will have to be rewired before I could get the insulation blown up here. So I know this is going to be a short video, but I wanted to show you what I was doing after I was feeling better, as well as kind of get you guys caught up a little bit. I am going to actually immediately start working on my next video, which is finishing the store. I need to get it put in. So the architect is coming later on this morning, and he's going to be getting some drawings drawn up for me so I can get those turned into the county for permits and stuff. Unfortunately, where I live at, have to have permits for any major structural changes, since I'm having some walls removed, moving my kitchen and bathroom. That requires new plumbing, electrical, all that fun stuff, and I need permits for that. So I will end the video here. So please like, comment, and I will see you next time.